Today we are going to solder a piece of copper on this brass valve, and brass is really hard to weld because it dissipates a lot of heat. So we begin with cleaning the mess I did the last time I tried to weld this. And just get a cleaner with a file, and it's nice and sparkling. Now we want to prevent this part from dissipating the heat that we're going to apply. Now it's very clean. Okay, I'll show you. There you go. We have this other pipe that we want to weld here. Yes, I did. Oops. It was not a good computer. Okay. Okay, so the idea here is not to dissipate heat, so I just buried this thing in sand, as you can see. So we're going to put this where it is supposed to be, and we stick it in. We use a MAP gas, because this burns much hotter, borax, silver. Alright. Alright! Success! Let's see, let me get this out of the... Oh! Okay, so it worked! See, there is glowing red. That means that now the joint has sweated, as you say. It's everywhere. Oh, really good. As you can see, perfect weld. Only have a problem here.